Hey y'all, this is what I cooked for dinner. It turned out nice chicken, rice, and string beans with potatoes. So, I put my chicken on this little boardy here. That's some salt. And I'm going to sprinkle some pepper. And guys, I tried a new recipe today. I put mustard on the chicken. I'm so sick of watching everybody do it. So guess what? I said, let me try to put some mustard on my chicken. Yes, I did. So I put some garlic on this chicken. And I think that it turned out really, really, really good. Paprika. So, and also it had a different flavor because I also put it in a air fryer today. I usually don't cook with the air fryer, but I did, and I'm glad I did. So I'm going to put the rest of the season on it, the onion powder, and I'm going to put some mustard on this bad boy. I'm like I said, everybody on the internet keep putting mustard on their chicken, so I had to try this. And the chicken turned out really nice. Yes. Don't it look good? It looked good before it's even done. So I put it on the air fryer, cook like for 25 or 30 minutes tops. And yeah, turned out really nice. So I made the string beans. They have potatoes in it with some olive oil. Turned out pretty good. And voila, here is the chicken. It's so pretty. It turned out really nice. And I'm glad I used the air fryer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like and subscribe, please.